Hello friends, in this video of acupressure reflexology location, today we are going to learn about point number 14. What is point number 14? Point number 14 is ovaries and it is only found in female. It is a part of female's reproductive system and this is used mostly in gynecological disorders. So, let us see where this point is located in the hand and in foot. Let us see that point. So, before that let me tell you the basic things about it. So, this point, as we have learnt in earlier videos, this is point number 11. From point number 11 is the end of this wrist crease. From 11 to 12 is one finger. From 11 to 13 is two fingers from here. So, or you can say from here to here it is one finger. So, from here this is one finger, from here this is one finger. This is 11, this is 12 and this is your 13. 11, 12, 13. So, now where is 14? So, if you see here, like you take a U-turn like this and 14 is here, that is from this wrist crease 2 fingers below is your 14, that is 13 and 14 are in the same parallel line, So, how to give? You need to give it like this, okay. So, you need to give it like this, but see the angle, not like this, not say rotating or rubbing, constant pressure and you need to give like this. Suppose I see here like this. For how long? For 10 to 15 seconds. You need to press it like this for 10 to 15 seconds. Now, let us see the location of point number 14 in foot, where it is located. So, this is the fibula, this is the fibula bone and here you have a bony prominence, it is called malleolus, and this is lateral malleolus. This is a part of your fibula and this is lateral malleolus, and you have a tendon here. This is the tendon, it is called Achilles tendon. This tendon is called Achilles tendon. And this point, how to give, where it is located? This point is middle peak, the height of this peak of this lateral malleolus and tendon. This point is located here, but you have to suppose the patient's right foot, that means your right hand to be used to give this point, and you need to give this point that is towards the fibula, that is towards the malleolus. This is how, here the point and you need to give it towards here. This is, don't use this one with your left hand. If you give it, then what happens, the thrust of the point goes outside, outer side. This has to come inside. So, you need to give with this hand. Okay, this is the one. So, this is point number 14, that is ovaries, and you have in the human body you have two ovaries. These two ovaries are endocrine, female endocrine gland, and for all kinds of gynecological disorders you can use this point. And in the next video we are going to learn about point number 15, testes. Thank you.